touch and feel wild animals. I am a lion cub. My father the lion is the king of the jungle. Our eyes glow in the dark. Touch and feel my mane. I'm a bear cub. My mama hibernates in the winter. We like to climb and swim. I like to eat fish and honey. Touch my soft tummy. I am an elephant baby. My mama is the largest land animal on earth. We travel in a herd. Touch my big ears. I'm a giraffe calf. My father is the tallest animal in the world. The color of our tongue is blue. Touch and feel my long neck.